Castle Rock 911, what's the location of your emergency?
The police dispatchers are unsung heroes.
Vehicles going northbound periods now out of Camera City.
So when you call Castle Rock Police, it comes straight to us. So we like to call ourselves America's first responders.
They're very skilled individuals who play just as important of a role in keeping our community safe as the police officers that our community sees every single day out there.
We're starting to get recognized for the fact that we really are the first ones on the call.
Castle Rock 911, what is the location of the emergency?
In today's world, police dispatchers have sophisticated software for computer-aided dispatch.
We're getting a flock hit for a stolen vehicle.
With all this technology being added in, we really are the first ones on scene, and it's multitasking beyond what you could have imagined.
It looks like it went north towards the end of that green gate.
The technology that they have, and they're so good at using it, truly makes the law enforcement side of it that much more proactive and successful.
We also have visual on Milestone. That vehicle just went north Caprice.
I love the technology piece. We got cameras not that long ago, so we get to really be like on the scene. And then drones.
Launching drone.
And I can tell them, come in from the north, come in from the south. This is what's gonna be your best thing. This is what I'm seeing on the cameras. And it just makes the dynamic much different. We're no longer dispatching, we're something else entirely.
Castle Rock 911, what is the location of the emergency?
When everyone hears something coming in that's intense, you kind of know. You can feel the shift in the room, you can feel the energy in the room.
I don't know, it's the gas station near Jack in the Box. Someone just took my car. My child, it's in the car, please. He's in the back seat.
Adam 13, Adam 10, copy motor vehicle test.
Adam 13.
When we do have a critical incident, that team, we communicate without even speaking.
RP's 3-year-old child was in the back of the car.
Drones up.
What kind of vehicle do you have?
It's a silver Acura MDX.
They're looking for a silver Acura MDX.
VFR's en route.
Adam 13, you can show me code from the 182.
And I do have help on the way, okay? What is your son's name?
My goal is to be there for them while I'm getting them help there as well, so that I can, help them to maybe calm down and make them not feel so alone.
I've got visual of the vehicle. It's northbound Caprice.
For all units en route to the motor vehicle test, we do have the DFR on scene and we have visual on Milestone as well.
And they do have eyes on your vehicle, okay?
All right, he just stopped. He's foot bailing.
The driver just bailed. Doors left open, appears unoccupied.
Adam 10 vehicles clear, we have the child.
And it does look like they do have your son, so they're gonna come back and meet with you, okay?
They're dealing with stress just as much as a police officer is. They're dealing with critical incidents like a police officer.
There's no way you could do this job by yourself in that room.
We trauma bond a little bit and we reach out to each other and we talk about it.
That bond that's between us, there's something really special about being part of a team like that. We have a really tight relationship with patrol. They tell us what ended up happening on a call. Let us know the full story, and for me and a lot of other dispatchers, it gives us closure.
Thanks for your help, man. Appreciate it.
It's always about the team, and it's about the person on the other end of the line, and it's about the officer that we helped. And that is ultimately what we're here to do.
It takes everybody on the team to be successful, and the dispatchers, they're special people.